Midjourney version 5, how to upload a reference image or art and use it as a prompt. So go ahead and open Discord to access the Midjourney bot. And the first thing that we need to do is to send here the images that we want to be referenced. So open the folder where it is located. Make sure that it's downloaded on your device. So here is a dog which I got from Pinterest. Drag it to Discord and press and enter to send it. Once it's uploaded, right click on it and among these additional options, select copy link. Now that we have its link, let's now command Midjourney. So type in slash followed by imagine and click on this. On the prompt box, just type in what you want to make in your image. So for example, I want the same dog to look up. So I'll just type in dog looking with heads up, and then I'll also add natural light, trees as its background, and then I'll just add photorealistic so that it will be high quality. Now press Command V or Control V on your keyboard to paste the link of the photo that we copied a while ago. After that, type in double dash, so dash dash, followed by the letters IW, which means image weight. Image weight on Midjourney is the parameter that sets the weight of the image prompt relative to the text while generating AI images. Its value can range from 0.5 to 2, with 0.5 being the lowest and 2.0 is the highest. Now I want it to be copied as close as possible to the reference image, so I'll add in space and type 2.0. Enter that and then wait for Midjourney to finish generating your image. Now as you can see, it generated 4 images of the same dog, but its head and eyes are looking up because of what we typed in here. Upscale what you want. As for me, the 1 and 2 is the best result, so let's use that. Open in web, and that's it. You can download and save it to your computer and use the image to anywhere you want. So that is how to upload a reference image or art and use it as a prompt in Midjourney version 5. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.